Today, I want to introduce you to a topic that you may not have heard of called the Benjamin Franklin effect. And the Benjamin Franklin effect is going to help you to drastically build that connection with the people within your community, your team, your organization that you just don't quite get along with. And there's that friction that exists. Let's get into it and show you what I mean. Benjamin Franklin is an American icon. He's one of the founding fathers of this country. He's also an inventor, an activist, a legislator, a statesman, a business person. Like, he's done everything. And he came up with this concept. Well, before I reveal the concept, let me give the backstory to it. So in Pennsylvania in the 18th century, there was a particular legislator in the Pennsylvania legislation that Benjamin just did not get along with. They had endless friction back and forth, back and forth. The problem is Ben needed to get along with this person to be able to move forward the legislation. Sound familiar? I'm sure some of you have people like this within your team, your organization, and your community. So Ben came up with this strategy. And I'm gonna read you what Ben said, and let me see if I can do it in my best Benjamin Franklin voice. Having heard that he had in his library a certain very scarce and curious book, I wrote a note to him expressing my desire of pursuing that book and requesting he would do me a favor and lending it to me for a few days. He sent it immediately, and I returned it in about a week with another note expressing strongly my sense of the favor. When we next met in the house, he spoke to me, which he had never done before, and with great civility, and he even after manifested a readiness to serve me on all occasions, so that we become great friends and our friendship continues to his death. Wow! So he went from adversary to book lender to legislative partner to best friends until their death. This is called the Benjamin Franklin effect. And the Benjamin Franklin effect goes like this. A person who has performed a favor for someone else is more likely to perform a second favor for that same person than if that person had done a favor for them. Think about that for a moment. So if you ask someone to do a favor for you and they do it, they're more likely to do another favor for you, more so than if you do a favor for them. This is mind-blowing because typically when we want to get someone on our side, we do a favor for them. Like, oh, here, let me help you out with that. But the Benjamin Franklin effect is saying, no. In fact, ask them for a favor. Something small, nothing big, but something small that they can do for you. And then they're then more likely to do another favor for you later on. Try this out within your community. In dance floor theory, we call these people that you have this adversarial relationship with, we call them negative Nellies. They are the ones who are actively pulling people off your dance floor because of their attitude. And maybe the Benjamin Franklin effect is a strategy you can use to be able to engage those negative Nellies, pull them back onto the dance floor in a positive way that creates that culture of connection. And hopefully by the end of it, who knows, maybe they turn around and do another favor for you and you two become best friends until death. Try it out. Let me know how it works for you. My name is Tom. I'm here to help you engage the people on your dance floor within your community. Until the next video.